Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study on Notion. First, set up a main dashboard to house all your courses and projects. Each course can have its own page, containing linked databases for notes, readings, and assignments. This central hub ensures you always know where to find your materials, saving you valuable time. It's about creating a streamlined system that supports your learning journey from day one. To effectively structure your study materials, create a database for your notes within each course page. You can add properties like subject, date, and status to easily filter and sort link-relevant pages, such as a lecture note to its corresponding reading, for quick access. Embedding PDFs or website links keeps all your resources in one place, reducing clutter and improving focus. Notion is excellent for active learning. Use toggle lists to hide answers or definitions, forcing yourself to recall information before revealing it. You can also design simple flashcard systems by creating a database with question and answer properties. Regularly review your notes and mark completed tasks with checkboxes to visually track your progress and stay motivated throughout your study sessions. Explore Notion's advanced features like integrations with other apps to automate tasks, such as syncing your calendar. Collaborate seamlessly on group projects by sharing workspaces and assigning tasks directly within Notion. This allows everyone to stay updated and contribute effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your study space tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.